Okay, so we'll start with the lecture. So yeah, in the last class we have seen something which was uh, yeah, last class we have seen something which is called as IEEE 754 format. That IEEE 754 format is generally used for. Why we use IEEE 754 format? Can someone tell me? The reason for IEEE 754 format is
To store the floating point number.
yeah, to show the floating point number. So computer के अंदर floating point number को directly हम store नहीं कर सकते. We cannot directly store 1001. इस format में store नहीं कर सकते. There is a proper format for this. So what does the format says? There are two different types of format. One is called as a single precision 754 format. Okay. Other is called as a double precision. Okay. Double precision. So what is the format? What does the format says? सबसे पहले आप क्या store करोगे? What is the first thing that you want to show?
Sign.
Sign.
Sign. Okay, so हम तीन चीज स्टोर करते हैं कोई भी नंबर के अंदर, कोई भी फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट नंबर के अंदर. Okay, so I'll just draw over here. I'll just draw the format for double precision as well. So the first thing that you want to store is something called as sign. Okay, और ये कितने बिट का होगा sign?
One.
1 bit. So for single precision also sign is 1 bit. For double precision the sign is 1 bit. Why? Because the sign can be positive or negative. So if you store 1 in this, in that case the number will be
Negative.
Negative.
negative. If you store 0 in this, in that case the number will be positive. After this sign there is another information that you want to store, and that is something called as
Exponent.
exponent. So you store exponent next. Okay. So what is the size of the exponent? How much exponent you can
8 bit.
store? 8 bit. Okay, so you can store 8 bit, which says that you can go from the point can be from 0th position. It can go to 127 position in positive side, and it can go to 127 negative side. Okay, so that is meant by 8 bit. Okay, so that is the meaning of 8 bit. So it can move 127 positions forward and 127 position backwards. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that is the exponent is of 8 bit. Over here, the exponent, we also have exponent over here, but the difference between single precision and double precision is the size of the exponent in this case
11 bit.
will be 11 bit. Okay, so
11.
that is the second difference. Yeah. The third thing that we store is something which is called as, what do we store?
Mantissa.
Mantissa.
Mantissa. Okay, so we store Mantissa. We also store Mantissa in this case. In the first case, the single precision ka overall size of the single precision is 32 bit. Okay, and the overall size for double precision is 64 bit. Okay, so you just have to remember this. ये तो आपको याद रहेगा कि सिंगल प्रेसिडेंट 32 बिट का है, डबल प्रेसिडेंट 64 बिट का है, साइन 1 बिट लेता है, यहाँ पे 8 बिट और यहाँ पे 11 बिट. ये वाला बिट आपको निकालना है. So you have to do what? 32 minus 8 minus 1, which is equal to, what is the size of the Mantissa in this case? It will be
23.
23. And for this case, the size of the Mantissa will be,
52.
it will be 52. Okay, so this is a complete format. You need to get down your number, any number, okay, which can be 16.12, या minus 16.12, या 12.125. एग्जाम में ऐसे कोई सवाल पूछेंगे और बोलेंगे try to convert this into single precision or double precision. They will give you this question. Okay, it is not that difficult. Okay, so ये आपको या तो इस फॉर्मेट में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा या तो इस फॉर्मेट में करना पड़ेगा, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द क्वेश्चन व्हिच इज बीइंग आस्क्ड यू. ओके, सो विल ट्राई टू डू दिस वन फर्स्ट. ओके, ये हम करके देखते हैं. आई थिंक लास्ट क्लास में किया था ना 12.125. डिड वी डू दिस?
14.125 है.
ओके, चलेगा कोई भी, बट विल ट्राई टू डू अ नेगेटिव नंबर. ओके, सो minus 16.12. Yeah, we'll do that. So the question is, convert convert minus 16.12, okay, convert this number into double precision floating point number. Okay, so how you'll convert it? So what is the first thing that you do? Step number 1. What does step number 1 says?
Convert decimal
Convert.
into binary.
Yeah, so convert a number into its binary representation. Okay, so what is the number that we have? We have minus 16.12 binary representation. So minus 16.12, what we'll do? Minus आप एक तरफ रख लोगे. You first convert 16 and first convert 12. Okay, so 16 को convert करना है आपको. So how will you convert it into binary? So divide 16 by 2. Keep on dividing until you get either 0 or 1 as the remainder. Okay, so 16 divided by 2, it will give you 8, right? Remainder 0. 2 4s are 8, remainder 0. 2 2s are 4, remainder 0. 2 1s are 2, remainder 0. You need to stop over here, right? So what is the number? The number is 16 is nothing but it is 1. 4 times zeros. Everybody got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is how we convert 16. Now we need to convert point के बाद की digit into binary. So 0.12. We need to convert 0.12 into binary. So how to do this? So 0.12, multiply this with 12. What we'll get as answer? 12 2s are 24. So we'll get 0.24. Okay. So whatever is before point, we just copy it somewhere. Okay. So we'll copy 0. Get this 24 in the next state. Next state में आप 24 ले लो 0.24. So what will get 0.24 multiply with 2. What will get as output? 0.48. Again copy this digit before point. So you will get 0. Then next is 0. Get this 0.48 down. So 0.48 into 2 will give you, I think, 0.96. 0.96 का copy this 0, you'll get 0 again. Then 0.96 नीचे ले लो. 0.96 into 2 will give you 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18, 19, 1.98 I guess. 1.98 बराबर ना?
Yes, sir.
192.
Yes, sir.
So
1.9.
we'll get 1 over here now. Okay, उसके बाद अगर आपको करना है तो get 0.98 into 2. What you'll get? You will get 26.
Sir, वो 1.92 है.
1.92 again.
1.92.
Okay, my bad. 1.92. This 2 will come over here. So 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are 18.
1.84.
1.84. So this one will come over here. Okay, फिर अगली बार करना है तो 0.84 into 2. So you need to do this. कब तक करना है? We need to get this till fourth place तक आपको ये करना है. उससे ज़्यादा आप करोगे तो कुछ फायदा नहीं है. It would be better if you get at least one. एक 1 तो कम से कम मिल जाए. ऐसा मतलब जैसे 0 0 0 0 रहेगा तो कुछ मतलब नहीं है. Get till 1. जैसे 1 मिल जाएगा. अगर 4 से ज़्यादा डिजिट हो रही है, get the first one and then stop it. अगर आपको 1 ऑलरेडी मिल चुका है, so 0 1 0 0 आप स्टॉप कर सकते हो. 4th प्लेस के बाद आप स्टॉप कर सकते हो. ओके, बट अगर आपको चारों 0 मिल रहा है, so get the first one. ओके, लेकिन वो अगर 5वें प्लेस पे भी नहीं मिल रहा है, 6ठे प्लेस पे भी नहीं मिल रहा है, स्टॉप होता है. You don't have to do that much of work. Okay, so it would be advisable go till 4th place. और उसके आगे जाके कोई फायदा नहीं है. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what I'll just take till 4th place. So I'll get 0 0, 0, 1. Okay, so this is nothing but this is 16. This is nothing but this is 0.12. Okay, so the number that I've got, this is nothing but it is 16.12. So what is 16.12? The 16.12 is nothing but it is 10000.0001. And since it is negative number, I'll take this all as negative number. Okay, I'll take this everything as negative number. Fine. Now this number is now it is a floating point number. It is a floating point number, right?
Yes,
Everybody agrees. Yeah. Why it is floating point number? Because this point is not at its original place. Point यहाँ पे होना चाहिए था. So we need to convert this floating point number into fixed point number, and that step is something which is called as normalization. Okay. So step number 2. What is step number 2?
Normalize the
After
point.
conversion, what is it is? Convert the fixed point number into floating point number, or you can call that step as normalization. So normalization आपको करना है, and you need to get the number in the format called as -1 raised to the sign into 1 point Mantissa into 2 raised to exponent. So you need to get the number in this particular format so that you can get something called as sign, you can get something called as Mantissa, you can get something called as exponent. Okay, ये आपको convert करना है. Fine. So convert this number. Since the number is negative, I can get -1. What is the value of the sign?
1.
1
One.
into, now convert the number into 1 point something. So what I can write down? 1.0000, 4 zeros, then 3 more zeros, 0001. Okay, so I've converted a floating point number into fixed point number because I brought this point after one non-zero digit. Okay, so one non-zero digit is nothing but it is just 1. 1 के बाद अगर मैंने लेके आ गया इस point को, then this become as a fixed point number. Okay, in order to convert, I need to multiply 2 raised to what over here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 raised to 4, I guess, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I'll just write down 2 raised to 4 over here. Okay, so this is what I got after conversion. This is what I got. So the value of sign will be equal to 1. The value of Mantissa, can someone tell me what is the value of the Mantissa over here?
0,
What is the value of 7 zeros?
1 into
7 zeros and 1. This is the Mantissa, right? This is just the Mantissa that you want, right? Mantissa yani sirf m wala part is something which is after the point, that is called as Mantissa. And then you got exponent, but this is not your exponent, it is called as a true exponent. What is the true exponent over here?
4.
4. Why we are making as a true exponent? Because so that every exponent has to be positive in nature. Okay, true exponent can be positive also, it can be negative also. So you need to add some bias to it. Okay, so we need to get the bias. We need to get a bias exponent out of this. Okay, so what is the bias exponent? Bias exponent will be equal to 2 exponent plus bias. Okay, so what is the bias of a full precision or say a double precision?
1023.
So we'll add 1023 to this number. Okay, how we got this number 1023? Everybody understood that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we'll add 4 to 1023. It is equal to 1027. Okay, so we got everything. We got the sign, we got the true bias exponent, we got the Mantissa. अब हमें उसको format में डालना है. So before putting into format, step number 3, convert the bias exponent which is in decimal, convert the bias exponent to binary. बराबर ना? 1027 is not in binary, right? We need to convert this into binary. बराबर? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so 1027, try to divide this by 2. Okay. So divide it and you'll get exactly 11 bit का output मिलेगा आपको, उससे बड़ा नहीं उससे छोटा नहीं मिलेगा आपको. Okay, so divide this, what you'll get? So 2 divided by 1027, so you'll get 1 as a remainder, that is for sure. You'll get 5 0 नहीं 5 1
513.
3, you'll get 513. Divide 513 by 2, you'll get remainder as 1. You'll get 2, 2 5s are 10, and 2 6s are 256, I guess, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Divide 256 by 2, you'll get 1, 2, and 8, 128. Remainder is 0. Divide 128 by 2, you'll get 6, 4, 64. Remainder as again 0. Divide 64 by 2, you'll get 8. Remainder, sorry, not 8, my bad. These are over. 32, you'll get remainder as 0. Divide 32 by 2, so you'll get 16. Remainder is 0. Divide 16 by 2, you'll get 8. Remainder is 0. Divide 8 by 2, you'll get 4. Remainder is again 0. Divide 4 by 2, you'll get 2. Remainder is again 0. Divide 2 by 2, you'll get 1. Remainder as 0. You need to stop over here. So what you got as the output? So this bias exponent, which was 1027, you can write down this 1027 as 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 zeros. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 zeros and then 2 ones. तो कितना हो गया? 8 0 है, 9, 10, 11. And we got 11 bit as
Yes,
exponent.
sir.
Yeah. So this we have converted. That is step number 3. Step number 4. We just need to put the sign, the mantissa, and exponent in IEEE format. In IEEE 754 format. Okay, so what is the 7/4 format for double precision? So आपको क्या करना है? Just draw the format. Okay, so draw the format. The first thing that you put is something called as sign. So what is sign over here in this case? What was sign? The number was negative, so I'll put 1 over here. The next thing that you put is something called as exponent. So exponent is nothing but this 1027. So you just put 1027 over here. So you put 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 2 ones. So this is nothing but your exponent. Okay, what about your mantissa? What about your mantissa? Mantissa is nothing but it is 7 zeros and 1, I guess. Yeah, 7 zeros and 1. So you put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1. Okay? लेकिन ये तो है आपका 52 बिट का, राइट? The mantissa is of 52 bit, right? So आपने यहाँ पे कितना डाल दिया? आपने 8 bit डाल दिया. What about the rest? I guess how many are left? Rest 44 bit. That will be all zeros. So put 0, 0 and put dot, 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 dot. Okay, so this is nothing but your IEEE 754 format. Is that clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just note it down. In exam, they will ask you of this sort question. Sometimes they ask you to convert this into hexadecimal. Hexadecimal में भी convert करने के लिए बोल दिया जाता है आपको. So आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? If it is hexadecimal, get this 4 digit, make a 4 का digit, okay, and just try to get its hexadecimal representation. So this number can be represented in hexadecimal as, this is nothing but 8 plus 4, 4 is 12. 12 is nothing but I guess C. 0. What is this number? 3.
3.
This is again 0. This is 1. And after that, every other digit will be zeros, right? आगे सब 0 हो जाएगा. So it will be 0, So this is 4 digit, 4 plus 4 plus 4 कितना होना चाहिए? 64 digit में कितने hexa digit होने चाहिए? hexadecimal digit कितने होने चाहिए? If it is a 64 bit number, 8 digit, right? 8 4 is 32, नहीं 8 नहीं, 16 होना चाहिए, right?
Yes.
16 4 is 16 होना चाहिए. Yeah, 16 होना चाहिए. So we have C03010, which is 6 over here. So we need to add 16 more zeros to this particular number. Sorry, 10 more digits. कितना हो गया? 1 2 3 4 5 6 और 10 ऐड करने. तो 4 मैंने और ऐड कर दिया और 5 ऐड करना. 5 6 7 8 9 10. So the complete number which is minus 16.12 can be represented in double precision as this number in hexadecimal. Is that clear? Hexadecimal में ऐसा आपको रिप्रेजेंट कराना पड़ेगा. और अगर बाइनरी में रिप्रेजेंट कराना है तो आपको कुछ इस तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट करना है. आई एम श्योर यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. एवरीबॉडी अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
एनीबॉडी हैज एनी डाउट? कुछ पूछना है? Anybody? Nobody has a doubt? आगे चले?
Yes, sir.
पीछे का पेज
Okay.
दिखाओ ना.
ओके. इसके पीछे वाला पेज ये है. The question is convert minus 16.12 into double precision floating point number. This is the number. This is how you basically solve it. Okay.
सर नेक्स्ट वाला.
Okay.
डन सर.
Okay. Now there is sometimes they ask the same question in a bit tricky, not that difficult, but yeah, I'll ask you to solve for this. Okay. I won't be solving it. You have to solve on your own. Okay. Question is, it did came in Mumbai University and people did not attempt it. Okay. What was the question? Convert 2A 3B H, okay, into single precision IEEE 754 format. IEEE 744 format. Convert it. What is the first thing that you do? Step number 1.
Binary में convert.
Exactly. Step number 1. So nothing changes. This digit can be in decimal, it can be in hexadecimal, can be in automatically binary में भी ले सकते हैं, octal में भी ले सकते हैं. You don't have to worry about that. Okay. So every time the first thing that you do is convert the digit into binary. So convert this digit. Okay. Convert digit into binary. So how to convert it? कैसे करना है binary में convert? 2A 3BH को कैसे convert करेंगे? You guys remember? Have you forgotten?
हर एक का रिस्पेक्टिव बाइनरी
Each
4 बिट में लिखने का.
exactly. So 2 can be written down as 0 0 1 0. यानी 4 बिट में आपको लिखना है. So that is 2. What about A? A is nothing but 10. 10 can be written down as 1
0 1 0
0 1 0. Good. 3 can be written down as
0
0
0 1 1
0 1 1, and B is nothing but 11. 11 can be written down as 8 0 0 1. Right now? Right?
सर ये तो 9 है.
0 1
नहीं, this is 9 I guess. 1 1 0 1 1 होगा मेरे.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So we got this number, which is now converted into binary. Okay. Step number 2. So the conversion becomes quite simple. Okay. अगर hexadecimal आ गया तो बहुत simple है. Octal आ गया बहुत simple है. उसको आप directly binary में convert कर सकते हो. The only work that you need to do is in the case of अगर वो decimal में आया तो decimal में आपको मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, आपको divide करते रहना पड़ेगा by 2. Okay. So that will become difficult. Okay. But अगर hexadecimal आ गया तो it will be more benefit for you as well. Okay, so आपने यहाँ तक कर लिया. Step number 2. What does step number 2 says?
Normal.
Normalize. So normalize a given number. How to normalize it? Get the point. The point is right now over here. Get this point to this place. The first non-zero digit. So यहाँ पे आपको लाना. So convert it. So you'll get 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. And in order to transfer that point, you need to multiply 2 raised to what to this number? Just a second for me. Yeah. So किधर का where was I? Yeah. So everybody got this. What is 2 ratio?
13.
13. It's 2 ratio
12.
13. Good. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It is 13. 2 ratio 13. Okay. 2 ratio 13. After that, minus 1 raised to the sign. Okay. So what is the sign in this case?
0.
0.
0. It is a positive number, so we need to put 0. Okay. So yeah, step number 2, we are done. So step number 2, what the value of the sign that we got is 0. The value of the Mentesa we got as 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so this is what we got as a Mentesa. The true exponent that we got is something called as 13, sorry. We need to get the bias exponent. So bias exponent is equal to 2 exponent plus bias. In this case, the value of the bias will be, because we are dealing with single precision, so it will be 13 plus
127.
127, which is equal to 140, I guess. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So that is step number 2. Step number 3, convert the bias exponent to binary. Convert bias exponent into binary. Convert it. So what will get as the output? Just a second. Just a second. Stay in the mute. Okay. I'm getting a call. Okay, sorry, my bad. That took a lot of time. So where were we? So everybody got this. What was the conversion that you got? 140 can be written down as
1000100.
1000100. Everybody got this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So this is 8-bit. So next is you need to put everything together into a IEEE format. Okay. So what does IEEE format says? The first thing that you put is something called a sign. So you put sign as 0 because the number was positive. The second thing that you put is something is the exponent. So you have 8-bit exponent. So you have 1 triple 0 double 1 double 0. We have put your exponent, and then the rest is the mantissa. So the mantissa is 0101 triple 0 triple 1, then 011 इसके आगे सब 0 है, तो 2 0 डालो और आगे डॉट 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 डॉट. And yeah, what is the total count of this bit? The total count of the bit is 23. What is the size of this particular bit? It is 8-bit and it is 1-bit. What is this called as? This is nothing but sign. This is nothing but your exponent. Every time, please don't forget to mention this. This is sign, this is exponent, this is mantissa. You need to write down that. Okay. Finish your answer over here. Yeah, you'll get exactly 10 marks for this. Okay. So was that difficult to understand?
No, sir.
I hope it is not. Yeah. So yeah, this is the end of your module number 4. So in module number 4, what are the important questions? Kindly note it down somewhere if that would be benefit you a lot. So the first thing that they ask is, what is Booth's algorithm? Question number 1. Explain the working of Booth's algorithm with the help of an example. Explain the working of Booth's. It is not boot, but it is Booth, telephone booth. Okay, so Booth's algorithm. Explain the working of Booth's algorithm with the help of an example. Okay. Question 2. Perform -4 into 3 using Booth's algorithm. Okay. Question 3. Explain the working of restoring division method. The same thing, question number 4 can be asked as, explain the working of non-restoring division method. तो दोनों में से पूछा जा सकता है कोई भी एक, दोनों को आपको सॉल्व करने के लिए भी बोला जा सकता है. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, divide 7 by 3 using restoring method, or 7 by using non-restoring. Okay, so 6 by 2 using non-restoring. Okay, so this question number 5, this question number 6. Okay, question number 7. Explain the IEEE 754 format. Okay, that is question number 7. Question number 8. Convert -14.125 into single precision or double precision floating point number. Okay, ये कुछ 8 क्वेश्चन बनते हैं जो हर एग्जाम में, अगर ये 80 मार्क का पेपर होता तो गारंटीड 30 मार्क्स का, यानी 3 क्वेश्चन इस 8 क्वेश्चन में से फॉर श्योर आपके एग्जाम में गिरते ही गिरते. ओके, अगर ये अभी शायद 5 मार्क का पूछा जाएगा तो 5 मार्क में देयर इज अ चांस दैट दिस माइट कम और दिस माइट कम, और इन दोनों में से कोई एक आएगा. सो देयर इज अ चांस दैट 10 to 15 marks will be coming from this particular set of questions. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubt in module number 4? किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है? हाँ, yes.
सर आपने हेक्साडेसिमल के लिए 6 ग्रुप बनाया ना, तो कंपलसरी है क्या?
हेक्साडेसिमल में
सर इसका अगर ये जो आपने IEEE फॉर्मेट में आपने निकाला ना ये, तो इसमें आप
हाँ.
हेक्साडेसिमल कन्वर्ट करो ना.
अच्छा, इसको हेक्साडेसिमल में अगर मैं कन्वर्ट करूंगा तो मैं क्या करूंगा?
सर इसमें आप
I'll
ग्रुप
take 4 का ग्रुपिंग करूंगा, मैं 4 का ग्रुपिंग करूंगा, I'll make 4 का ग्रुपिंग. Okay, so do the grouping. So it is 0 1 0 0 which is equal to 4. उसके बाद 0 1 1 0. What is 0 1 1 0? यहाँ तक what is 0 1 1 0? It is 6. Then this 0 0 1 0, that is again 2. Then 1 0 0 1 0 0, ये वाला यहाँ से 1 0 0, that is equal to 8. Okay, बराबर ना?
यस सर.
उसके बाद बच गया 1 0 0, 8 हो गया. Then 1 1 1 0. What is that? 1 1 1 0 1 1 0. It is 8 4 12 12 और 13 14 14 14 is A B C D D, I guess D. It is D. Okay, 1 1 0. Then after that we have 1 1 0 0. What is 1 1 0 0? 1 1 0 0, 8 4 12 12 यानी A B C. I think this is
ई.
E.
ये हो E.
This is E, right?
यस सर.
Yeah. उसके बाद सारे डिजिट जीरो होंगे, उसके आगे सारे डिजिट जीरो होंगे. ओके, सो व्हाट वी गॉट इन हेक्साडेसिमल, वी गॉट 4 6. This is 2. Then we have 8. We have E. We have C. Okay. सिंगल प्रिसिजन है यानी कितने बिट का होगा? 32 बिट. 32 बिट डिवाइडेड बाय 4 यानी आपको 8 हेक्साडेसिमल डिजिट होनी चाहिए. हमने कितना ले लिया? 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 हो गया. बचे हुए 2 डिजिट हैं, उनको 0 0 आपको बनाना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो दिस इज द कंप्लीट नंबर इन हेक्साडेसिमल.
सर
हाँ, यस.
सर आपने फॉर्मेट से 6 बिट बनाया ना हेक्साडेसिमल के लिए, वो 6 बिट ही बनने चाहिए या
नहीं नहीं
ज़्यादा
नहीं,
भी हो सकता
6 नहीं, आगे देखो ना, आगे 0 0 0 0 0 0 चलता रहेगा ना. अभी मैं लिखना रिडंडेंट हो जाएगा ना.
है? ओके
समझ में
ओके.
आया क्या? तो इसके लिए ऑटोमेटिकली ये जो पार्ट है, इसके आगे का सारा पार्ट 0 0 ही है, तो वो 0 0 ही बन जाएगा ना. 4 0 मिलकर 0 बन जाएगा, फिर ये 4 मिलकर के 0 बन जाएगा. वो मुझे लिखने के लिए उतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाएगा ना, मैं पूरा 32 बिट तो लिख नहीं पाऊंगा. समझ में आया आपको?
यस सर.
तो इसके लिए अगर 64 बिट का आ गया, इसका मतलब मुझे 64, मतलब समझ लो एक क्वेश्चन में, लेट्स से एक क्वेश्चन के अंदर मुझे कुछ ऐसा आउटपुट आया, तो ये साइन आया आपका, ये एक्सपोनेंट आया. ओके, ये एक्सपोनेंट आया और ये डबल प्रेसिजन है. डबल प्रेसिजन में मेरे पास मेंटिसा सिर्फ इतना ही है, समझ लो. ओके, मेरे पास मेंटिसा इतना ही है, यानी कितना हो गया ये? दिस इज लाइक 5. और बच्चे कितने? 40 52 में से 5 गए तो बच्चे कितने? 43 नहीं, 47 यानी मुझे 47 जीरोस डालने. सो डू यू फील कि मैं 47 काउंट करके बराबर डाल पाऊंगा यहाँ पे? नहीं ना, नहीं कर पाऊंगा ना मैं.
नो सर.
कहीं ना कहीं एक जीरो मिस हो जाएगा या एक जीरो ज्यादा हो जाएगा, तो मैं यहाँ पे 2 3 जीरो डालूंगा और आगे डॉट 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 करके इस फॉर्मेट को मैं यहाँ पे खत्म कर दूंगा. आई विल फिनिश दिस फॉर्मेट. लेकिन जब जोड़ी बनाने की बात आएगी, ओके, बिकॉज इट इज अ डबल प्रेसिजन, इसका मतलब 64 बिट का है, ये तो कंफर्म है, बराबर.
यस सर.
और मैं 4 बिट का एक हेक्साडेसिमल बना रहा हूँ, तो आई, इसका मतलब टोटल हेक्साडेसिमल डिजिट कितना होगा? सो 4 डिवाइड बाय 64 इज 16, यानी 16 हेक्साडेसिमल डिजिट मेरे पास होगा, बराबर ना. अब मैं इसको बनाना चालू करता हूँ. अब मैं इसका 4 4 का कॉम्बिनेशन बनाता हूँ. दिस 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 which is 4, ये एक बन जाएगा. दिस 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 अगेन 4, ये एक कॉम्बिनेशन बन गया. दिस 0 and 1 0 1 यहाँ से which is 5, ये एक कॉम्बिनेशन बन गया. दिस 0 1 1 0, this will become 4 again, बराबर ना. अब ये 0 दो ही 0 है. अब मुझे पता आगे के सारे बिट 0 है, बराबर ना. It will become 0. It will become 0. उसके आगे भी सब 0 रहेगा, तो कितना 0 लगाना पड़ेगा? So this is 4, this is 4, this is 5, this is 4, this is 0, यानी कितना हो चुका है? 5 बिट हो चुके हैं. कितने बच गए? 11. इसका मतलब मुझे 11 0 यहाँ पे लगाना पड़ेगा. So 6, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and H. So that number represented in hexadecimal is this number. फिर भी यहाँ पे ठीक है यार, आप 11 0 लगा सकते हो, लेकिन पुटिंग 47 zeros इज लाइक रिडिकुलस, राइट? आप कहीं ना कहीं 47 का 45 कर दोगे, 47 का 48 कर दोगे, 49 कर दोगे, देयर इज अ चांस कि आप मिस्टेक कर दोगे. सो वी जनरली ट्राई टू पुट डैश 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 ओवर. आई होप इट इज क्लियर.
Yes, sir. बिल्कुल.
So that is the end of your module number 4. Okay, so वहाँ पे हम स्टॉप करते हैं. आई थिंक हमारा लेक्चर का टाइम भी हो चुका है. क्विकली ज्वाइन आफ्टर, टेक अ 10 minutes का ब्रेक. आई एम श्योर आपका त्योहार है, आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर दैट. ओके, बट प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड माय सिचुएशन एज वेल. अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप बोल दो, मैं कैंसिल कर देता हूँ लेक्चर अगला. इफ इट इज ओके देन प्लीज टेल मी सो दैट वी कैन स्टार्ट विद द माइक्रोप्रोसेसर लैब. बहुत लोग मेरे को अंदर से गालियां दे रहे हैं, बट या प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड माय सिचुएशन. Do you want me to continue?